How to use Postmark offers to make and accept. Well, Postmark offers allow users to negotiate prices on items or bundles. So open up Postmark, and what you want to do is, if you are a buyer, you want to locate the item, you want to navigate to the item that is available there. Then once you navigate to the item, if there is the offer option available, you get the offer option. So now you can say it's Canadian $120 here. So what I can do is I can tap on offer and then select size here, 20 or 24 plus. And once you have done so, what you can offer is here, select your offer. So you can select here the particular offer, 10% off here, 5% off and such. You can also create your own order here, how much you would like to offer. So once you have done so, tap on next and go to the prompts to offer. Now, if the seller accepts the offer, you'll be able to purchase it in your offer price. However, if not, you won't be able to purchase it in your offer price. You can keep on negotiating. Now, if you are a seller and you get, when an offer is received, it appears in the news feed or directly in your listings. So once it is available in your listings, what you can do is you can proceed to either accept it or decline it or counter it. If the offer is too low, you can propose a higher price to continue negotiations. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe as well.